This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Deanna Kilbert. Welcome home! This charming brick ranch is tucked back in the well-established neighborhood of Glengariff and sits on a large, beautifully landscaped lot. At the center of the bright open floor plan is an incredible custom stone wood fireplace, ready to make the chilly evenings cozy. With plenty of room for everyone, entertaining is a breeze in the well-equipped kitchen with easy access to a comfortable screened-in porch. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is distinguished by hardwood flooring throughout, a generously sized driveway leading to a 2-car garage and a huge backyard perfect for gatherings of friends and families or creating that dream garden. Located across from the botanical gardens and just minutes to bases, restaurants and shopping, this move-in ready home is waiting to begin the next chapter. December 4, 2024. For more information, review the details below.